If you need to create a page in WordPress, for example, like this one or this other one, or whatever page you want to create, in the next 2 minutes I'll show you exactly how to create and publish your first page step by step. By the way, if you are new to WordPress and want to keep learning, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can watch these quick and easy tutorials that may be very helpful in the future. Now let's get back. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Now look at the left side menu and click on Pages. Here you'll see all the pages currently on your website. Now to create a new one, just click on Add New Page at the top. Let's close this. Now you are inside the WordPress page editor. The first thing you need is a page title. This is the name visitors will see on your website. For example, I'll create a Contact Us page. So let's name this Contact Us. Contact Us. Now below the title is the main editor area. This is where you build your page content. Now, one of the most important things in WordPress is something called blocks. Blocks let you add different types of content to your page. So for example, to add one, just click on this plus icon here and you can add headings, images, buttons. You can click browser all and you can see every other element that you can add on these blocks. For example, I'll add the heading block first. So let's search for heading, click on it, and now we can add a heading. So this is the Contact Us page. Then underneath, I'm gonna add a paragraph. So let's select paragraph. You can type here whatever you want. And now let's say you want an image. So let's click on Add Block, select image, click on Upload, click on Media Library, select your image, and boom. Now, as you build your page, WordPress automatically saves drafts in the background, but your visitors still cannot see the page yet. So to make it live, go to the top right corner and click on Publish. Then click on Publish one more time to confirm, and that's it. Your new page is now officially live on your website. To see how it looks, click on View Page. This is our new Contact Us page. If this is helpful, the next tutorial will show you is how to add this page to your WordPress menu so visitors can actually find it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.